birthday, baby.
Hi, Mother. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best in life, and then can't wait for you na ikasal na because I wanna wear a gown na. Yun lang, happy birthday. Celebrate us pag open na yung mga dining. I love you. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Granny.
And have joy.
Yeah, happy birthday, Granny.
Happy birthday, Granny.
Hello. Hope you have a happy party. Hope to see you soon. Happy birthday. We love you, Granny. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Mama chup
You're
chup.
the best ever.
The best ever.
Hi Nina, happy birthday. Birthday mo daw kaya kailangan gumawa ng birthday greetings. Pero hindi na kailangan eh. Alam ko namang happy ka at wala na akong mai-wish sa'yo. Nasa iyo ang lahat. Wish ko na lang kasal this year. Okay? Happy birthday. Yung handa mo, hintayin ko bukas. Diyan sa may pinto. Kahit dessert lang. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Friends. Good health. More blessings to come. Keep safe always. We love you and we miss you.
Happy birthday, Ninang Plants. God bless you. Love you. Miss you.
Hello, friends. Happy birthday. More blessings to come. And good health. And more birthdays to come. And
Thank you for everything. God bless.
happy birthday.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Pastor.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Tita Franz.
Tita Franz.
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tita Connie. Happy birthday, Tita Connie. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Tita Connie. I love you, Connie. Mama, chup chup chup. Oh, what's chup chup?
Happy birthday, Franz. Sana masaya ka ngayong birthday mo. At sana next year magkakasama tayo ulit. Wish ko lang sa birthday mo ay malusog na pangangatawan at huwag ka masyadong magpapasexy. Gayahin mo ako, chubby. I love you. Message mo lang ako bukas pag may pa-drive-thru ka. Joke. Ingat lagi. I love you.
Birthday mo pala ay. Paano yan? Di lula ka na. Happy birthday. Yung handa ko bukas, hatid mo. Pulutan ko yan sa Sabado.
Ito na. Sa maganda kong kumari at sexy, ikaw na ang pinagpala. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. God bless. Ayan, mag-message ka.
Hello, Franz! Happy birthday! Halika, magluto tayo. Many more birthdays to come. At saka, many more babies to come.
Many more baby to come. Happy birthday, Mars! Love you! Ninang! Oh, say happy birthday to Ninang. Ninang! Happy birthday, Ninang! Happy birthday, Ninang! Love you! Love, love, Abigail! Oh, kiss na, Ninang! Kiss na!
Hi! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Bakit? Mali ba?
It's Ate Fran's birthday.
Oh, yun. Yung pala. Mare, happy birthday po sa'yo. Always stay healthy. Wish you all the best. Wish you more birthdays to come. Pasensya na medyo wala pa ako sa ulirat. Ginising lang ako ni Mrs. Akala ko anong klaseng video gagawin namin. Yun. Kaya tulog na rin yung mga bata. And we would just like to greet you a happy
birthday,
happy,
Ate Franz.
blessed birthday.
Stay pretty.
Stay pretty and stay positive sa pregnancy test, hindi sa COVID. Okay. Okay. See you
We
next
miss
time.
you.
We miss you. Bye.
Miss you all, guys.
Happy
birthday, Ate Franz.
Happy birthday, Ate Franz.
Stay pretty.
With us.
God bless you.
God bless.
Happy birthday, Tita Francia! Hi! Sana magkaroon ko pa ng isang ganito na baby girl. Happy birthday!
To this pretty lady, just want to say happy birthday. I'm happy that everything with you comes into place. And I wish that God will grant all the desire of your heart. And looking forward to have a girl's night out with the Vicious when everything is okay. So enjoy your day and have a blast. And once again, happy birthday.
Hi there, Ninang Franz. Happy birthday. Ayan no, kasing pretty mo si Kira. I wish you all the best at sana matupad lahat ng mga dreams mo. At sana din ay maging okay na okay ang business mo, mag-boom pa siya, magkaroon ka ng maraming clients. And thank you for being so good to us every time, especially kay Kira at saka sa akin. And God bless you, tsaka more blessings sa inyo ni Lek tsaka sa husband mo. Happy birthday ulit at sana maging happy ka today, every day, at maraming pang birthday para sa'yo. Oh my goodness. Si Kira kasi malikot.
Hi, Franz! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Franz! Ano pa bang mawi-wish namin? Nasa'yo naman na lahat. Nasa'yo na ang lahat. Huwag ka kumanta mo. So, happy na birthday pa. Hindi naman pwede kasing memories na lang ng memories yung mga nakikita natin sa Facebook.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. God bless. We love you.
Love you. Bye-bye.
Sleepy na yung isa. Siyempre, alam mo na kung sino yung sleepy. Mahihiwalay na daw sa kambal niya.
Kambal ng tadhana. Pero wala siya doon sa nasagyan ba? Wala. Si Jacob lang umalis. Wala kang grocery. Ito nga lang susukay.
Tawagan ko nga naman.
May ilaw man yung bahay.
May ilaw. Hindi ko na tawagan.
Ganito na ang parto. Ang kulit lang eh.
Baka nagbuno si Michelle.
Dito na kami guys. Ang mas mo. Yan siya. Laki-laki oh. Harap mo dito nga. Say bye-bye ka na. Bye-bye Minnie. Tago-tago ka, tapos wala palang tao. Happy birthday! Ha? I-advance na namin. Eh, di ba?
Nakasuklay.
I-advance na nga namin.
Oo. Pati yung matika ko lang eh.
Yun na nga, yung mantika lang naman talaga eh. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Mickey.
Ako magluluto ng
Ay,
magnet.
bye-bye. Bakit?
Bye.
Pwede ka.
Mickey Mouse.
Nasalubong namin si ano eh. Nasalubong namin si Jacob. Saan punta?
Maglilibot-libot kasi naiinip na sa bahay.
Okay. Bye, Minnie. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.